let's redo this Dollar Tree jar to make it look like a green pumpkin. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks for coming back. So, all right, we're going to try this again. We're going to do this jar I got from Dollar Tree. Y'all were mad because I messed it up with the crackles. So we're going to paint it with the chalk paint, 2 coats, and I am doing a dauber over the entirety of it. It's a chalk paint. The color is Spanish moss. I paint it on and then I use a dauber with more paint just so that it doesn't have those brush strokes. Let it dry. Then I've got some pieces, parts of, I've got raffia, I've got pieces of fabric, lace, just things that made me smile. And I'm going to put a little bit of a knot in it, take a piece of a cork, it's just a cork from a wine bottle, and I'm going to put that knot that we started and then tighten it up. Perfect. Then after that, I'm going to rub it between my hands to muss it up just because I don't want it to be fussy, right? Then those little pieces of raffia, I'm going to wrap around. This is just a chopstick or a popsicle, not a popsicle stick or a pencil. It's just to kind of make them a little bit more curly cue. So that's all I'm doing is just wrapping the raffia around the stick so that it gets a curl to it. That's it. Super cute though. Look at how fun it is. You have to kind of tighten it up, but look at how nice. Now you can when you're done doing all this, you can trim them however you want it. You can, whatever you want. It looks super cute though. And again, using the scraps of ribbon and fabric, it just gives it that nice little country vibe that I love. And it makes it look like a little pumpkin stem. Super fun. All right, so there's that. Perfect. Once that's done, awesome. I put some permanent glue. I'm using Liquid Fusion. You could use E6000 if you can use that. And I just put a little dot in the center, and then I do some hot glue so that it sticks right now. So I just do that around the edges. And then we're going to put that in the center of our lid, and we've got our stem. Super pretty. Super fun, right? All right, now here's your chance. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm going to put the lid on it. Here's your chance. If you don't like distressing, leave now. Leave now. I'm giving you an opportunity. Scroll on. I don't want to hear you mad at me when I take this beautiful jar and I make it more my style. So here it is. This is what y'all wanted. Yay, it is beautiful. But I have to distress it. So all of you distressing fans, here we go. So I'm using a dry brush method and I have some chalk paint and I'm just going to lightly add a little bit of white just to make it look a little bit more country, a little bit more distressed. I know there's going to be somebody out there is going to be mad that I did this, but you know what? It has to fit my decor and it has to make me smile. Cut me some slack, man. And again, I just went over and decided, hey, let's see if the white will be enough for me. It's not. It never is. So I did the white and decided, this is super pretty. Here it is, super pretty. We'll put the lid on it and you can see it here. Pretty. But then I decided to just add a little bit of the brown wax again because I like the primitive vibe. If you don't do that. But look how pretty it is. We're going to put the lid back on and stop it. Look at how pretty. I love it. I love it so much. Anyways, friends, I hope you enjoyed this redo. I hope it eased some of your distress. Some of you are mad about it. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.